guys, Aubrey here, back in another video, and today I'm here with...
The Night Skies, or Fizzy.
Yeah, and today, we are going to do an intro contest for my channel. I know I uploaded an intro thing a long time ago, but, you know, it's just not working out, and by the way, it's just a practice one, and, yeah, and what to do is you have to, you got to record my Arctic Wolf dancing like that, and, yeah, then you can edit it on from there, and, what you need to do is, title for your video is going to be #Obbs new intro, and that makes it more easier for you to see which intro. Oh my god, Fizzy. Oh my god, I went to my den. I'm so sorry. And, whoever wins and says that's the best one gets this Buttons masterpiece right here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Say bye.
Bye.
And jam on, jammers!